Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a call across to more than one people, maybe two, three, four. You want to make a call to them on your single call on your WhatsApp. So let's dive in. You open your WhatsApp. So now you come to this call. Sorry guys. So now you come to this call button, click on it. You can see we have one here, click on this one that have plus, click on it, then go and choose the person you want to create a call to. You can see I can add up to 31 people here. Your home might be more than 31, but here I have just telling me to more than 31 people. So you're going to click on those you want to make a call across them. Just click on anybody, just add them up, and once you're done you click on this your call button. So now it's very easy like that. So you once they pick up the call, you just be talking to that for the pay people, those people that you are the connection with. It's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.